Welcome back to Homeschooling with Heart. My name is Stef. Thank you so very much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. And if you are new here, thank you. Thank you for giving this channel a chance. I appreciate that as well. All right, today I am just hopping on here to say Happy New Year. I cannot believe we are almost in 2022. And if you are watching this video once we are in 2022, happy New Year. I wish each and every one of you a blessed, prosperous, healthy, and happy New Year. I took some much needed time and I reevaluated our homeschool, and I cannot wait to share what I did, the soul searching that I did, the learning tool evaluation that I did for our homeschool, the evaluation that I did for myself, and not so much for Remington, really for me. You know, the goals that I had at the beginning of our school year, are those goals still relevant? Did we meet any of those goals, or did we not? And if we did meet those goals, how and why did we meet them? I am hoping that you had a wonderful holiday season. I would love to hear about it in the comments. I would love to also hear about any changes that you may be making for your 2022 homeschool. I miss talking to you. I took a break from making videos for just a little bit and spent some much needed time with Remington, and we just relaxed and we chilled. But again, yeah, I did sit back and look at, where we were as far as our learning, and where I was as far as teaching, and did a much needed self-evaluation. I also took a look at the discipline that I have, self-discipline. I looked at the goals that I had written down at the beginning of the year and looked to see if I was meeting my own expectations, and if not, why, and if so, what was I doing to do that? Sometimes when you soul search, it can be it's not always a fun thing to do, but sometimes it needs to be done. And it needs to be done for the sake of yourself, but also for the sake of those around you. And in this instance, I needed to stop looking at a young 7-year-old and start looking at a more grown-up 7-year-old. And that in itself is hard to do, right? When your kids are getting older, and in my case, my grandson getting older, and yeah, really kind of hard to do. I cannot wait to share that with you in some upcoming videos that we will be putting out in 2022. Some other things that we will be doing, I will be putting out the direction that we are going. I will be putting out how I am doing as far as self-discipline. You guys know that I have a 2-hour window set for our school day, and I looked at that to see if I could stretch it out any further. Had I become disciplined enough to stretch that out, or am I still kind of just at that 2-hour window of self-discipline? We did have a wonderful holiday, and I would love to hear from you. I would love to hear how your holiday season went. I would love to hear from you if you are changing curriculum, if you are keeping your curriculum, if things are going wonderful, if things are going to be changing for you. I would love to hear from you. I haven't talked to you in a while, and I miss you guys, and I miss having a conversation with y'all. So I wanted to hop on here and say Happy New Year, and give you a chance to let me know how your holiday went. Also, if there is a topic that you would like to see me cover in 2022, I would be glad to look at it and go over it if I can, address it if I can. Always, my email is down at the bottom. You can also reach us through Instagram, and I am looking so forward to revamping in 2022. But until we meet again to be able to talk about all of this and more, be good to each other. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.